Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of these earrings for Christmas, made with crystals and wire. I'm using, this is 0.4 wire, you can use any colour wire. I just thought this would look nice with the beads I was using. A round loop about inch in diameter, angel wings, head pin, ear hook, selection of beads, and that's about 6mm I think, and then 4mm, 2mm, the little seed beads. And start by threading on to your wire the seed beads. On this one I put 6 seed beads. Start with. And then a small, that's about 2mm bead I think, there are. Crystally tight bead. Then I put 11 2mm on, in between 6 seed beads. So I'll go ahead and thread those in and I'll be back to you. There, I've threaded all the beads on there. So I've got 11 of the 2mm one and 6 seed beads in between each one. And then I get the ring, and I need to wrap this around just a couple of times. Should secure it. And then leave a long chain on the other end. Not chain, I mean piece of wire on the other end. And then what I'm going to do is wrap, bend that there so it secures the beads and they won't fall off the end when you're wrapping it round. Wrap these beads around the loop. You just push the beads up to the end so that you can't see much of the wire. But if you make it with nice coloured wire, it will look nice. Right, I'll go ahead and wrap all these round and then I'll be back to you. Right, I've twisted all those beads round onto the loop, and when I've done that I just make sure these 2mm beads are on the edge. I think it looks better like that. And then with these 2 wires that's left over, I just twist them together. This is going to make your loop to fit on your ear hook. Trim that bit off. And then we make the, you can leave it like that, it looks quite nice, just put a ear hook on it and it's quite nice like that, but I put a little angel in them. And you want head pin, I think that's a 6mm bead, but you can use 6 or 8mm. And then some wings, which you can get these on eBay. They're quite reasonable to buy them on there. And then a little 4mm one for the head. Then we just bend that over and make a loop using round nose pliers. And then this will fit round there. Tighten that up with your flat nose pliers, and then it'll stay in the middle if you loop it onto that. If you loop it onto the ring, it won't be central. I found if I loop it onto that, it's central then. It's quite nice, I think. I like them. Then I do a loop, just a wrapped loop on this twisted wire. Just hold it in round those pliers and twist it round. And then trim off the bit at the end. And then flatten those bits down and flatten that with your round nose pliers so it's nice and round looking. And then just make sure there's no rough edges. And you can squeeze those into the bottom there. Sorry, I'm probably going out of the camera view there, but you can see what I mean. You just make sure that there's no rough edges too. There we go. Then put on your ear hook. These are just ready-made ones, but I make my own. And there is some videos on my channel showing you how to make your own. And they're very simple to make if you've got time to make them, but I thought, well, I'll just use a ready-made one. There we go. Nice little earrings for Christmas, I think. If you do them in, you could do them in different coloured wires. Red and green beads would look nice together, Christmassy. But I just like this. This is, and the wire I've used is called antique gold. You can use any colour. Now, enjoy making yours. I hope you have a go at making them. Quite simple. Then make a nice gift for somebody as well.